Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to find your Shopify store's URL or domain name from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to head on over to your Shopify store as an administrator, make sure that you're logged in. And the idea here is we would need to get access to the store configuration or the settings. And to do so, it's quite simple. You guys need to go to home, which is where I'm at right now for your online store. Like I said, make sure you're logged in. And then you would want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen to click on settings. So it's this little option right here. And when you guys click on this, this should open up a new window, or I should say, a new tab. Well, not really a new tab, but this little window right here. Bring up all of the details that pertain to your Shopify store. Now, because we're looking for our store URL here, you can refer to a couple things, but the easiest way is to just navigate to the top left corner of your screen, and you'll see that this little text right here underneath your store name or title is your Shopify store URL or domain name. So mine, because I created it from scratch using a new account, is a randomly generated one. So it's b1379d-f1.myshopify.com. So this one is randomly generated by Shopify every time you create an account. So that's one way to check it. Or another is to go to domains. And domains is the tab found between apps and sales channel and customer events. So it's this one right here. So when I go to click on it, this will actually list all of the registered stores under your one Shopify account. So as you can see, here's my domain name. So that's pretty cool, or my URL name. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, that's how you can find your Shopify store URL from scratch. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.